You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 58, closing a service request raised by Brian Tracy. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, first we need to log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on Jira Service Management. Under Spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Management, IT Service Management, and we are going to open NIA2L, which is request for the license of Adobe Acrobat. Now, let's change the status by clicking on Pending to resolve this issue. Resolution is done. We'll select under comments, we are going to select reply to customer. We'll say that request is completed. Your request for Adobe Access Adobe Acrobat has been completed. Click on resolve this issue. To perform next task of this lab, we need to log in as Brian Tracy. We will log in as Brian Tracy and review the comments provided by the agent or technical support team. Let's move ahead. To log in as Brian Tracy, I am logged in as Brian Tracy in this incognito mode. So what I did, I have opened a incognito mode of my Chrome. I'm on home.atlassian. Let's click on this 4 blocks next to home and we'll go to Jira Service Management. In Help Center portal or page, we are going to click on Profile, which is located on top right corner. Let me show it to you. We are going to click on Profile, which is located at top right corner. Click on Request and then we are going to select Closed, uncheck, Open, NIA2L, request for license of Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat. It is resolved. The very last comment is that the request is completed. We will close this window. So in this lab, we saw how to close a service request. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.